Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is your first video with me, welcome, dobrodošli. My name is Aneli and I'm native Croatian and I'm also Croatian professor. I teach languages. I teach French, English and Croatian, but I also speak Spanish and Portuguese. If you want to know more about the languages I speak and my huge obsession with languages, I will link one of my videos down below. On to the first class of Croatian language. So the concept of this video is just to make learning easier. As someone with a huge experience, I've been teaching for almost 6 years. I've been teaching foreigners, people from different backgrounds. I've learned a little bit few language techniques, so I'm here to help you. So we're gonna start with 5 phrases that you need to know before coming on your next trip to Croatia. Prva rečenica, first sentence, dobar dan. So dobar dan, it means like good day. Dobar dan. We say it even in the morning, even in the evening. It's like universal, but it's more during the daytime. Dobar dan. Okay, let's go to the most universal saying hello is bok. B-o-k. Bok. And next sentence is kako si. Kako si or kako ste. Kako si. It's very informal, like when you're speaking to the friend or colleague. Kako ste, it's more professional and it has this professional undertone. So kako si is you're just speaking informally to someone you've met. Kako ste, it sounds more professional, and when you're referring to your professor, someone on when you speak with respect for him or someone who is elderly. In Croatia, we do pay a lot of attention when we speak with someone who is like on higher level, like from the respectful form, of course. So I know some languages don't really have it, like English doesn't make any distinction. In some languages, not that important, but in Croat, it is. So yeah. Now let's go to the third phrase, and it is kako se zoveš? Kako se zoveš? What's your name? Kako se zoveš? What's your name? Zoveš. The formal version would be kako se zovete. Kako se zovete, if you're speaking with formal way. So kako se zoveš, you just met someone, you're in the club, you're like, kako se zoveš? You're just partying in Croatia. Kako se zoveš? Like, what's your name? Kako se zovete, if you're speaking with elderly person or any form of formal speech. Last but not least is ja se zovem. Ja se zovem. My name is. Ja se zovem Aneli. My name is Aneli. Ja se zovem Aneli, or easier, zovem se Aneli. Zovem se Aneli. Okay, so let's repeat all together. Dobar dan, bok, kako si, kako ste, kako se zoveš, zovem se Aneli. Hello. So these would be like quick 5 phrases, and I'm gonna teach you every time this very interesting quick 5 phrases in Croatian to make your Croatian journey easier. Besides this, I'm italki full-time italki teacher. I'm gonna leave the link of my videos and the link of my account down there, so you can check me if you want to. And if not, I would love to hear more about your experience visiting Croatia. What did you like? What did you like the most? What would you like to avoid? What would you like to redo? And so on. So until the next time, many kisses and hugs from Split. Vidimo se u Splitu. Bok!